listen please.
Here, Vedamurti has suggested one idea, and also for the basement, and my friend has been thought.
I am seeing the video. Did you see any video?
No, sir.
Okay, let's see your video. Because Marshmallow experiment probably it is some 5 centuries old. There are thousands of videos available on the internet. Look at the raw talent. This is the advantage of not getting distracted. I saw most of you seeing the best practices in the world. We will come to why it didn't help. What's your note? Your name and college. Which Government Polytechnics. What is your note?
So actually, I gave the idea about the skill lapping we are going to give when
Skill?
Yeah, skill engineering.
Oh.
Actually, lapping them. So lapping is very important when we are going to.
Tell us what is lapping.
So lapping means joining the two steel bars we are going to join. Then the same way I told our teammates to lap it. So we lapped it first. So we lapped it. After that, foundation we have planned, and then we planned that.
One more idea.
We'll go all by one.
So this is not from okay, so structure and efficiency are simple only comes of ideas. So foundation is so strong.
Wonderful.
First we thought we have to do like pyramid shape. So later we have to decide
What was the decision for pyramid versus pyramid? Your civil engineer? Science, okay. Wonderful. So they changed from civil engineer to let's do pyramid. You change it to TV tower. Yes. Okay.
Good afternoon, myself Shabana. I'm from Government Polytechnic, Ideate. I think the success is a teamwork, sir, because first they have decided what to do, how to do, and they have taken the ideas from the teammates, and they have taken the total decision making we have done here. Later we started doing sir told if we make it long, it won't stand. So how much shorter is there, it will stand. That was the one idea we have taken that. And according to that, sir told that is lapping. That is lapping is nothing but making it stiff. And how to make it stiff, how to make it base, everything we have discussed and we have done, sir. I think that is what made us to win.
But this thing was making very tall. Did it scare you?
Actually, I was distracted, sir. Sir was telling no, ask this stand, ask this stand.
It will collapse. See, if we go on heights, it's
Slender column. Long column research. There is a learning. Though 6 competitors were there in the hall, they did not look at the competitors, or even they looked at, they decided it is going to harm them if they get distracted. Okay, that's another lesson. Now, can you draw parallels to these 5 phases of design thinking? In empathy phase, was it useful?
So as per this design thinking, so empathy phase was very important, sir, because I had to take all decision making, not me only alone. I should see what are the mindset are there based on this resource. So everyone has to tell different ideas for them. And last thing on, based on their ideas, what I did is I set the base. So don't tie it up, we'll use the sticker, such that it will hold say 84 columns. And one more, we felt that it was not sticking properly. And then what we did is we have to stick we have pressed it. Then what happens? The base was strong. So then what I have got the benefit is additionally some tape we have taken, we have increased the thickness. We have increased the thickness such that all 3 columns were standing properly.
Excellent. Now, what is the moral of the story? Anyway, in your day-to-day life, you will not build any more bridges. But what is the moral of the story? Now, discuss, like you have got some 3-4 colleges are here. If 3-4 college lecturers come together in Google Meet or WhatsApp Meet or whatever, if you, for example, within 10 minutes you are able to collaborate. Imagine throughout the year, you are able to, how often do you get in touch with lecturers from other?
Before the network violation papers, we were not now digital platform has come, we are not going online. Now only that is
So now, can we take this best practice from tomorrow onwards? Forget about the world. At least 5 of you. Can you meet once in a week or once in a month? Discuss. Will it help? Everything is there. Not only your upliftment. You can uplift your students. Now you can also talk about this experience. Whatever you are going to learn today, why only 25 of you have benefit?